Hey Mike, my name's Angelo Loanides and I'm a dentist here in New Zealand, and I've just started my own practice for the very first time in my life. So up until this point I've been an associate with other dentists, but I've finally taken the step to go out on my own and start my own practice. And being with you for a number of years, when the opportunity came up to partake in your mentorship program, well, I thought it'd be absolutely nuts not to take you up on that offer. Anyway, so I started up the mentorship mainly for me, starting up my own practice, and for me personally, the biggest value so far has been the lesson on basically creating your vivid vision. So it's just been perfect timing for me to create that crystal clear, vivid vision for my practice that I can now communicate to my staff and future staff down the track, as well as to suppliers and patients. So that has been enormously valuable to get that crystal clear picture that not only is clear for me, but I can clearly communicate to other people as well. However, in the process of going through your mentorship program, I was so impressed by the content that I actually got my 17-year-old son just to take a look, and because he's looking now tossing up whether to go to university or start his own business. And after the first couple of lessons, he was absolutely hooked. So he's now absolutely fizzing, and particularly the latest lesson was on how to choose your market for your new business, and he found that absolutely invaluable, and he's absolutely fizzing with all these new ideas as to how to enter these new markets that he would never have dreamed of in his life. And so he's now on a new journey down his path, and I'm happy to say he's not going to university and he's going down the path of entrepreneurship. So it's been incredibly valuable not only for me but also for my son. So what I would say is, regardless if you're watching this video and you're absolutely brand new to business, or you're an experienced veteran with an entrepreneurial veteran, you're going to get extreme value from Mike's mentorship program. So if you're looking to shortcut years of trial and error and you want to get the success that you're after in the shortest amount of time, then Mike's mentorship program is an absolute no-brainer.